The Boeing AH-64 Apache is one of the most advanced and powerful attack helicopters ever developed. It was designed specifically for modern battlefield conditions where speed, precision protection, and technology are critical. Operated primarily by the United States, Army, and many other countries around the world, the Apache has become a symbol of air power and battlefield dominance. Its design focuses on destroying enemy armor, supporting ground troops, and surviving in highly dangerous combat environments. The idea behind the AH-64 Apache began during the Cold War era. In the early 1970s, the United States Army realized that future wars would involve large numbers of armored vehicles and advanced air defenses. Existing helicopters were not powerful or protected enough to deal with these threats. As a result, the Army launched the Advanced Attack Helicopter Program. The goal was to create a helicopter that could fly low, attack tanks, operate at night, and survive heavy enemy fire. Hughes helicopters won the design competition in 1975. After years of testing and development, the helicopter proved successful. Hughes was later acquired by McDonnell Douglas, and eventually Boeing became the main manufacturer. In 1986, the AH-64 Apache officially entered service with the United States Army, marking a new era in attack helicopter warfare. The AH-64 Apache is built with survivability as a top priority. The fuselage is heavily armored and designed to withstand small arms fire and shrapnel. Critical components such as engines, fuel systems, and flight controls are separated and shielded to prevent a single hit from disabling the aircraft, even if damaged. The helicopter is designed to keep flying long enough for the crew to return safely. The cockpit features a tandem seating arrangement. The co-pilot gunner sits in the front, while the pilot sits slightly higher in the rear. This layout improves visibility and allows both crew members to focus on their specific roles. The cockpit glass is bullet-resistant, and armor plating surrounds the crew to provide additional protection during combat missions. Powering the AH-64 Apache are two high-performance turboshaft engines. These engines provide enough power for fast maneuvering and allow the helicopter to operate in hot deserts and high-altitude regions. The engines are placed apart from each other to reduce the risk of both being damaged at the same time. The main rotor blades are made from advanced composite materials that can tolerate damage and still remain operational. One of the most important strengths of the Apache is its advanced avionics. The helicopter is equipped with modern navigation, communication, and targeting systems that allow it to operate day or night and in poor weather conditions. The helmet-mounted display system allows the crew to control weapons and sensors simply by turning their head. This greatly improves reaction time and battlefield awareness. At the front of the helicopter is the target acquisition and designation sight and pilot night vision sensor system. This system includes infrared cameras, television sensors, and laser targeting equipment. It allows the crew to detect, identify, and track targets from long distances. The pilot can safely fly at low altitude in darkness, while the co-pilot gunner focuses on aiming weapons with high accuracy. Some Apache variants are also equipped with the longbow fire control radar mounted above the main rotor. This radar can detect and classify multiple targets at once, including tanks and air defense systems. It works in all weather conditions and allows the helicopter to remain hidden behind terrain while scanning the battlefield. This feature significantly increases survivability and combat effectiveness. The weapons carried by the AH-64 Apache make it extremely dangerous to enemy forces. The main gun is a 30mm chain gun mounted under the nose. It can fire hundreds of rounds per minute and is effective against infantry, light vehicles, and fortified positions. The gun moves with the helmet-mounted sight, allowing the crew to aim naturally. In addition to the gun, the Apache carries Hellfire missiles on its stub wings. These missiles are designed to destroy heavily armored targets such as tanks. They use laser or radar guidance to hit targets with high precision from long distances. The helicopter can carry multiple missiles, enabling it to engage several targets in a single mission. The helicopter can also be armed with Hydra 70 rocket pods. These rockets are used for area suppression and close air support. They are effective against enemy positions, light vehicles, and troop formations. Some modern rocket versions include guidance systems that improve accuracy while maintaining flexibility. The AH-64 Apache operates with a two-person crew working as a coordinated team. The pilot handles flying, navigation, and overall mission control. The co-pilot gunner manages sensors, identifies targets, and operates the weapons. This teamwork allows the helicopter to perform complex missions efficiently in high-threat environments. Apache crews undergo intense training before becoming operational. Training includes classroom study, simulator sessions, and live flight exercises. Crews learn low-level flying, combat tactics, threat avoidance, and coordination with ground forces. This training ensures they can handle stressful combat situations safely and effectively. The AH-64 Apache has been used in many military operations around the world. It has proven effective in deserts, mountains, forests, and urban environments. Its ability to fly at night and in bad weather gives commanders a strong tactical advantage. The helicopter often plays a key role in protecting ground troops and disrupting enemy movements. Over the years, the Apache has received multiple upgrades. These include improved engines, better sensors, digital communication systems, and enhanced weapons integration. Modern versions can share battlefield data with other aircraft, drones, and ground units, making the Apache part of a connected combat network. From an educational perspective, the AH-64 Apache is an excellent example of modern military engineering. It combines aerodynamics, materials science, electronics, computer systems, and human factors design. It shows how technology and strategy come together to create an effective combat platform. In conclusion, the Boeing AH-64 Apache is not just a helicopter, but a complete battlefield system. Its powerful weapons, advanced sensors, strong protection, and highly trained crew make it one of the most effective attack helicopters ever built. Even decades after its introduction, the Apache continues to play a vital role in modern military operations and remains a benchmark in attack helicopter design.